Another day, another dollar. So I caught this buy trade on Volatility75 index, getting my entries at this point. You can see how far price has moved in profits. TP1 to TP3 has been smashed, which I expect price to get to my TP4 in the coming minutes. And this trade signal was shared to my VIP members. Good profit bagged on this trade, over $500 made. So how I was able to catch the buys on this index? How do I know this index is going to buy from my buys, and what's my view and analysis on this index? So analyzing from the 4-hour time frame, I identified this market structure where I've got series of higher lows and series of higher highs. That's the first thing I look out for whenever I want to analyze the market. Whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I spot the market direction, the market structure. It gives me clarity on the directional bias of the market. So in this case, I looked out for buy opportunities. I had my interest on the buy side of the market. So the next thing I did was to spot the historical levels and zones formed on this time frame. And we've got one of those major levels here, which was close to price value, the level of 104,098. I made a video on historical levels explaining how powerful these levels can be. You can go check it out. It should be the last video posted. So the next historical level we got is this level, which we can see the past history, the past reactions, price, but here's a support. So resistance, 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 got the buy, support, 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 but this level is far from current price level. So the closest level to current price value is this level, which I took advantage of, working with it as an additional confluence to my buy reasons. The first major reason is the market direction, the market trend. The second reason is this historical level, which I just spotted another level above, the level of 107,076, which I placed my targets at, because we've got past histories on this level. Price has sold on this level a couple of times, getting the sell resistance, 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 and resistance. So you could possibly see price react on this same level as a resistance. That's why I placed my target at this point. And the break of this level, we could see price buy to as high as this. Next zone, the level of 110,712 in the coming hours. So I'm getting my entries analyzed further to the 1-hour time frame, which I also identified a bullish structure where we've got series of higher lows and series of higher highs. The first higher low is here, price formed on that low, a higher low, and the last higher low, which I got my entries on, because if price can buy on this trend support the first time, by the second time there's a possibility of seeing the third buys on this level, being that a historical level aligns with this trend support level. And the third higher low was actually expected because price has formed 3 higher highs. The first high at this point, the second high, and the third higher high. So in addition to my entry points, I went to the 13-minute time frame where I spotted a bullish order block, which validated the buy entries on this trade. So on the 30-minute time frame, I identified this rally bullish order block. So as price dropped into this zone, I stacked up the buys, and you can see how far price has moved in profit, again over $500 profit on TP1 to TP3 getting smashed, which I expect my TP4 to get smashed soon. A nice trade this is. Don't miss out on my fire trade signals. Now the higher probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. More trade reviews like this and trade breakdown, do it to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for always engaging in my videos. It's learning a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.